Good morning, it is Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market opens up here in about 25 minutes. Some fantastic action right now on ATOS pre-market. I mean, look at that monster move. So maybe a pre-market trade, but if nothing does play out, I'll just see you back at the open. But as of right now, I do have an order at 425. And whether or not it gets down there, I don't know. But if it does, I'll do my best to capture the entry point live on video. But like I said, if not, see you back at the open. Have an order for 1,000 shares at 501 on ATOS. Let's see if it can work its way down. All right, it's moving down. 475, I moved my 1,000 share order to. Represented by that green line. So it's certainly in the ballpark. How low did that actually go? It went as low as 482, so about 7 cents off. All right, we'll see if we can pull back. All right, pulling back. Nice. Got those at 515. We'll look for another 1,000 down at 475. So let's see what this wants to do. All right, it's giving me 275, 894. All right, well, at this point, I have how many left? 106. So let's just hop out there then and call it good for 131. And I don't know, what was that? Well, let me first stop talking, get my next order down at 4, double checking, 455. So $131 and I don't know, was that like 10 seconds? So I'll take that. If you go back and put the video back, you'll see that it wasn't clean. It was partial. It was at 200 something, then it was at 894, and then it just stopped there. So I canceled that out and took the rest at the 507 mark. So good kind of heads up that trying to get in and out is going to be a little bit trickier on that one. But yeah, 131 on the gain in a good efficient amount of time. Let's see if it wants to pull back. Oh, nice. All right. I got in at 455. I apologize though. I don't think I got the entry point though. Wow, that was fast. All right, but less talking, Clay. So 415 next first entry point. I say first entry point because ideally I want more than 1,000, but if it's going to give me the quick $150 like you saw there. So I don't know, what was that, $150 in 5 seconds, 10 seconds? I don't think I caught the entry point on video though. I apologize. I was watching too. I was watching very closely, but that thing just snapped down in a hurry, which is why I was pretty excited about it, because I mean, that's what I'm looking for, those snap movements like that. All right. No promises that I'll capture the entry point, but just for documentation's sake, I have an order for 1,000 at 415 to start the process over. All right, I have an order at 501 for just 500 shares. Let's see if it wants to pull back here. I mean, it's got the nice little upwards trend to it right now. So I'd be willing to make my first purchase, but not any more than 501. I will keep you updated. Okay, I have an order at 501 on the pullback here. Can't remember if I told you that or not. It's been a while since the last update. I think I told you that, but it's like I said, it's been several minutes, but I do still have that order at 501. It got down as low as 507. There we go. So got those first ones at 501, just 500. We'll look for some more down there at 455 if this move wants to continue. So let's see what it wants to do here. Again, 455 next entry point. I'll put some down at 435 too. All right, I will go ahead and pause for the time being unless it looks like something is going to either go in my favor and I can take profits, or if I'm able to add some more to the position. All right, going for the break of 5. There is the break. It's working its way up there. So all out there for the 9 cents, which equated to $45. Going to keep those orders still down there at 455 and 435 in case it wants to flush back downwards. In hindsight, yeah, I should have probably been a little bit more aggressive with that second purchase, but that's why we're all trillionaires in our hindsight account. So let's see, we're just a little over 30 minutes in and up $326. So for 30 minutes worth of pressing buttons as I work at home in my pajamas, got to keep things in perspective. I am very happy with it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. It's 10:22, so almost an hour in the day, and there's some stuff that I want to get done. And if I can just be honest, I don't feel like sitting in front of my computer right now anymore. So I'm just going to head out, and I haven't even really been paying attention that much. But regardless, before I go, a couple final things. First off, if you enjoy these videos, I know this one's on the shorter side, but if you do enjoy the longer ones, then yeah, there's lots of other videos on the playlist. I think I've done over 300 of these live trades. But regardless, I want to do this one. Well, as I talk now, this thing's moving down. So famous last words. Let's go to 455 here. So I don't know, maybe I'm going to be a liar. So if this gets filled during my little spiel right here, then we'll capture one more trade. But if you do enjoy these videos, the easiest way to communicate that to me is to click that like button and then subscribe to the channel. If you are interested in trading alongside me and other good quality traders, then you can go to claytrader.com. I do offer a live chat room that also comes with a weekly newsletter, and that is all for just $99 per year, not per month, not per quarter, per year. Pull out the calculator, do the math. It breaks down to $8.25 per month, or $1.90 per week. So truly, it's more than fair. And as I always tell people, over the time span of 12 months, I'm more than confident you'll get at least $99 worth of value. I realize that that's not setting the bar too high, but $99 is just enough to keep out the pumpers, keep out the trolls, keep out the bashers, keep out all the drama. And it's amazing what $99 will do to keyboard warriors and drama, people that trolls and all that. It's amazing. $99, poof. But so if you're interested in being in a very well-structured environment, and that's what that is. And then if you are interested in learning how to trade with charts and technical analysis, which is the tool that I use, then again, claytrader.com, I offer a lot of online video courses on that topic, and you can check out all that. But even if you don't spend a single dime, that's okay. But like I said, if you do enjoy these, then at least click that like button and subscribe to the channel. And that's a very efficient way to communicate to me that, hey, Clay, please keep spending your time to do these because I do enjoy them. So hit that like button and I will keep them up. So yeah, less than an hour into the day, up over $325, and I will take it. But let's just do this. I'll pause, and if it looks like there's going to be some sort of breakdown flush, I'll get it going again. All right, well, it's bounced back up. So that is all. Thank you again for watching. Hit that like button, and I'll see you back next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.